to self, it's all about the intention. Don't lose yourself in the questions, and nothing's really impossible. Just took a look at my reflection eyes, burning with a legend.
Hello and welcome to Naturally High, the channel that helps you grow your 4A, 4B and especially 4C hair to longer lengths. A few of you have left comments under videos of mine asking me to share with you how long my hair is using an actual tape measure, and that's what today's video is going to be about. Maybe I should take my hair out first?
I'll be grateful for my spirit feeling energies, grateful for protection, don't got enemies. I'll be grateful for my failure, bring humility, grateful for whatever be. I'll be grateful for my spirit feeling energies, grateful for protection, don't got enemies, grateful for my failure, bring humility. I'll be grateful for whatever be. Take a beat, take a pause. Note to self, it's all about the intention. Don't lose yourself in the questions, and nothing's really impossible. Just took a look at my reflection eyes, burning with a legend of a queen come back with a vengeance, living a pariah, trying to keep present, vessel diving when the lights dim.
I am really curious to see how long it is, because I had a setback where I left my hair in loose twists for over 2 months and I ended up having locks, and because I currently don't feel like having locks, it meant that I spent over 4 days taking those locks out. I shared all of that over on my Instagram and I really appreciated all of the support that you gave me.
Come on, Asha, you can do it. Come on, Asha, you can do it. Detangling sucks, and I have to admit, at this stage of my hair, which is very short, maybe it's 3 inches, maybe. So far, but yeah, detangling is not enjoyable, and like you said, if you let it go, it's a nightmare, but you will get through it. You have the patience to do that. Just take a deep breath, exhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe in, and then exhale. Allow yourself to have some breaks, and before you know it, you will be done with it. Come on.
Because that helped me get through. And now I'm out the other end of that. I am really curious to see how long my hair is and how much hair I managed to retain through that process. I actually have another video talking about that process, and you can check that out as well.
I'll be grateful for my spirit feeling energies, grateful for protection, don't got enemies. I'll be grateful for my failure, bring humility, grateful for whatever be. I'll be grateful for my spirit feeling energies, grateful for protection, don't got enemies, grateful for my failure, bring humility. I'll be grateful.
If you are enjoying this video and the quality of it, then you have my patrons to thank for that. The support that I get from you over on Patreon allows me to keep the content flowing. And also, as a patron, you get access to behind the scenes footage. For example, I made a video talking about my social anxiety and it was really cringy, and there's no way it's ever coming up here on YouTube. But as a patron, you have access to that. And you can become a patron for as little as $3.99 a month by clicking on the link in the description. Thanks in advance for your support.
Protection, don't got enemies, grateful for my failure, bring humility. I'll be grateful for whatever be. Take a beat, take a pause. Note to self, it's all about the intention. Don't lose yourself in the questions, and nothing's really impossible. Just took a look at my reflection eyes, burning with a legend of a queen come back with a vengeance, living a pariah, trying to keep present, vessel diving when the lights dim low. Hear the truth when I listen close, dependent only the visceral, visual, universe take literal. Whatever I say, so I manifest only the best. Stay blessed, I say it with my chest. Bad vibes, rise, I lead with the rest. Take 5, I fail, try again. I rise, I soar, I ascend. Take shit with a pinch of salt and throw it over my shoulder. Thank God I'm getting older, bolder, wiser, stronger. Thank God for the pain it's armor. Thank God I'm feeling honored and I'm blessed. Gratitude, no stress. Gratitude, say on my chest. Gratitude, no stress. Gratitude, say. I'll be grateful for my spirit.